Okay, good afternoon. My name is Mike Curran, and I will be going over my IMU sensor, orientation sensor, where you have three directions. You have the X, Y, and Z axis. The X axis, if you're looking at the top of the drone, it would be where it is facing, almost if you go from 0 to 360, if almost like a hand of a clock going in one full circle. So that's the x-axis. The y is very simple. It's just up, down compared to the horizon. So, if it's a negative value, it actually means it's on an incline. So you see the drone will be tilted up when you have a more negative value, and be more positive value when it's down. And the z is the tilting, you could say. And this value goes from negative 180 to 180 degrees. And you'll see that, fortunately, with good flight, you don't want to get too much tilting. You actually want to keep that minimized. And same with the Y. You don't want to get too much variation. The Y too is not a plane; it's a helicopter, right? So you will see that this is a successful flight, although the video does cut off, but I captured enough for this presentation. So you'll see these values change slightly as you starts as we're a little bit inclined, but nothing crazy. And the z values, it wraps around from negative 180 back to 180. So they're, you don't see too much of difference, not too much wobble, thankfully. And then the x, you will see it move, and there is a bit of a lag, so I'll try to walk it through it here, but okay, so right now I'm facing the shed. Okay, now I'm facing the house. So as I move to the right, you'll see the x value increase. So I'm about to do basically a 180 here. Okay, so I'm gonna start flying. Okay. And you see I started to move to the right a little bit. There is a lag, but see, I'm facing to the right and the x has increased. Now it's at 280. My y is 0, I'm nice and steady. And z, I'm getting a little bit of a lean. And I believe I'm tilting to the left here, which is why it's a little more negative 170. So I'm going to keep rotating. You'll see that the x value is increasing. This is my dog here. He is interested in what's going on. You can kind of tell there is a lag for sure. I don't know exactly how long the lag is, but you can kind of tell that I am on an angle, and I am starting to correct that wobble. Now I'm starting to wobble a little bit to the right. This value is getting larger. Okay. Now see I'm rotating more. See the x is going up to 307 now. Okay, I'm gonna start taking off again. And that is it. And then when I finish, I will be at, almost completely did a 180. Now I'm facing the exact opposite direction. So I'm at 360. So yeah, that's about it. It seemed like this was a successful flight, and the orientation worked pretty well. All right, thank you so much.